Hi, I'm Angie, and I'm really happy to finally be able to share my Love of Pandora bracelet. I wanted a way to showcase my Pandora Club Charms, and I was waiting for this one last charm to put together the bracelet. I have this on a Silver Mesh Bangle bracelet, and once I saw the review from Nichol on My Pandora Charmed Life, I knew that the mesh bracelet was the perfect one for my club charms. Because there aren't that many, it started in 2014, I didn't have too many charms, and it works perfectly on this, and I really love the look of the mesh with the plain silver charms. So I started with silicone clips, and of course the Pandora signature logo silicone clips were perfect, and they have CZs around them and the Pandora logo, so that was ideal for this. I really love the silicone clips now because they work so well on bangles and leather bracelets to help keep your charms all together. And also at the top of the bracelet when you're wearing it like this. Starting on this side, I have the Pandora gift bag charm, which I just love because it's so pretty on top and has the nice Pandora logo crown on the bottom. And I think if you're a Pandora collector, this is a must-have. I'm very lucky to have all the club charms. I bought 2 of them at an outlet and 2 at my shop and shop, and then 1 I was able to get pre-loved from another collector. This one is the 2015 charm, and each club charm has the year printed on it somewhere, and also includes a very special little diamond. This is a 0.01 carat diamond and is rated an H for color, which means it's nearly colorless, and the VS for the clarity of the diamond, and that means very small inclusions. That's noticeable to a jeweler under 10 times magnification, but it's really just a really little tiny little diamond that's kind of a nice addition. I love this charm because it has the little crown on top and it's just a really pretty heart. The next one is the 2016 club charm, and I had first seen this and was in love with it, not knowing it was a club charm, just because the detail of the sort of filigree hearts is absolutely beautiful. A little diamond on that side and the 2016 on the other side. The centerpiece of the bracelet is the dangle, and this is the 2017 club charm, and I actually saw this one in the display case at my shop and shop and didn't even know that it was a club charm, and just loved the design of it. I thought it was so pretty. Apparently this is one of the club charms that was liked least, but it really appealed to me and I wanted it regardless of the diamond and the club charm. It has a pretty bail with sort of little, I don't know if they're hearts, I can't really tell, but nice little bubble detail. And it says Pandora Club on the back with the little crown. And actually, to see the year, you have to just pop it open. It's a little locket. And inside you can see the year and the diamond close up. So I just think that's really cute. Next we have the 2018 club charm, which I think was very popular because it was a completely different design. Obviously it's a globe and it has hearts all around it, and 2018 on one side and more love on this side, with the O of the love being the little diamond. And all the club charm diamonds have the same rating and carat weight, which is 0.01. The charm I was waiting for to complete the bracelet is the Pandora Crown O charm, and that's part of the 2018 Pandora Signature Collection. I was intrigued when I saw the artwork for it, and then when I saw it in person, I knew I had to have it, and it worked perfectly for this bracelet. I love that you can see the bracelet through it, and obviously it's an open work, and it says Pandora on it and has a pretty crown and little heart details around the side. And last I have the 2014 club charm, which was the very first one, and it says Pandora on top, and it's a little Pandora box. And this one also opens to reveal the little Pandora charm inside with the little diamond sitting on the little cushion. And it says Pandora inside. It's just so cute that it's a little box. There's the hallmark on the bottom. And I was very, very happy to get this from my friend in Maryland. And that completed the set for me. So obviously now every year I have to get the club charm and maybe grow to a bigger bracelet. And I finish off with one more clip. Another nice thing about the silicone clips is this bracelet has no threading at the top. So that just adds a little bit of extra security in case the bracelet were to pop open. You don't need a safety chain on a bangle because it's not going to drop off your wrist if it happened to fail and open. So this is my Love of Pandora bracelet, and I'm very happy with the way it turned out, and I'm so glad now that I have all of the club charms to complete the set and some pretty Pandora signature charms as well. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed seeing this small styling on the mesh bangle bracelet.